show you. What kind of pet are you looking for today? Okay, I'll see if I can find it in my pet collection. Don't worry. Don't worry. In Barbie Dreamland, we pay with a smile. 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 If you smile, then that is payment enough. Just smile. You have a lovely smile. You have a lovely smile. I love your smile. Now, I have lots of pets here in my Barbie Pet Shop, and I can go over all of their names with you. Is that something you'd like to do? I can also tell you about their best traits. They're all wonderful, and they mean so much to all of the Barbies in Barbie Land. Yes. Alright. Let's go ahead and meet our pet friends. The first pet that I want to introduce you to today is Rainbow. Rainbow is a unicorn. See? She has a little unicorn horn. Isn't she adorable? I know. She's adorable. And she loves to play. She loves to play and run around. She's a great companion, and she's always excited for a walk in the morning. How sweet, how sweet. Yes, she is 3 years old, 3 years old. So Rainbow is a little baby. She's adorable, isn't she? Thank you for being so kind. How do you feel, Rainbow? I think she'd love to go with she's very squishy. Squish, squish, squishy. Yes, Willow is 4 years old. 4 years old. Okay, I'll move on to the next pet that we have today is Rosie. Rosie. Rosie is also a Barbie bear. Barbie bear. I know in the human world, you have bears, but your bears are dangerous. Although cute, they are very dangerous. Whereas in Barbie Land, our bears are kind, always. And Rosie here has a pink little bow because she likes to dress up. And she carries a little pillow heart around with her because she loves love. She's white, a pretty snow white, and she has a little black button nose and 2 black eyes. Yes, and Rosie is 3 years old. Okay, let's move on to the next. This is Uni. She's also a unicorn. She has a little yellow horn, blue eyeshadow, little pink ears, and long pink hair, and a long pink tail. And as you can see, her little unicorn hooves are blue. Adorable, isn't she? And unlike the others, Uni is 8 years old. 8 years old. Don't worry, don't fret about their age. In Barbie Land, you can live as long as you want, as long as you make sure to smile, okay? Always smile. Yes, and she's a very happy to trollop in the mornings through the grass. And she's also very loyal, a very loyal unicorn. So she'll always be there when you need her. Okay, let's go on to the next. The next pet that I wanted to show you is Princess Pinky. Princess Pinky. The special thing about Princess Pinky is not only is she pink, but she carries around a big pink heart. But something is very special about this pink heart. It carries good luck charm. With Pinky, you'll always have good luck, and she'll always make sure that you're happy and smiling. Pinky, however, is 5 years old. years old, and she's also a Barbie bear and has a pink little nose. Cute little black eye. Not only is her nose a cute little pink nose, but it's also a heart, a heart, a heart. Let's move on to the next. This is Bubbles. Bubbles. She's very squishy. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. You can squish Bubbles as long as you're not being harmful, okay? She's meant to be squished and hugged closely because she's a comforting animal that we have here. She's also a uni. If you get the theme by now, you know that Barbie Land, we love to have unis in our pet shop. It's magical, and that's what we're all about. Her little unicorn. Her eyes sparkle. She has a smile, a cute, cute, cute smile for her nose. She has a cute little pink tail. Waggle, waggle, waggle. And cute, long, pink hair. And she's super, 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 super squishy, is she not? And Bubbles is 10 years old. Yes, 10 years old. But she's not the oldest of the bunch. We'll get to the oldest soon. Okay, I'll show you the next. Just to check in with you. How are you feeling about our pet friends here? Oh, you like them? That's great to hear. I'm so glad, so glad that you enjoy our pets. And I hope that you find the best pet friend that's suited for you. Okay, let's continue. The next pet friend that we have here is Lammy. Lammy. She's a little lamb with a cute little bow tie and purple feet bottoms. Purple foot bottoms. How adorable. She's our only little lamb here, so all of the other pets love to protect her and make sure that she's not getting run over because she's so tiny, you know. But this is Lammy. She's great to cuddle with as long as you're gentle. She loves going for walks in the morning, and she loves to eat her food and make you happy. Okay, and she's only 2 years old. Let's move on to the next. Now, we're starting to get into the oldest of our unis here. This is Tyrion. And he is 25 years old. He has a unicorn. And a happy belly. Because we always keep races with you all throughout Barbie Land. So she's one of our special pets. All our pets are special. And Jupiter is super special too because she can fly. That's everybody that I have to show you today. All of our pets. Did you decide on who you would like to be your companion? Oh, that's great. Decided on Jupiter. That's great. She'd love to be your companion. And once again, you don't have to give us any money. Your money is your smile. So, smile. How beautiful. Thank you so much for coming to Barbie Pet Shop, and we'll see you the next time, Jupiter. All ready to go with you, and we'll pack away some of her snacks. We'll pack away her favorite foods, and we'll pack away her favorite clothes, and we'll pack away her bath material and everything that you need to have a successful companionship with Jupiter. Okay, and we'll see you the next time you come to Barbie Pet Shop. Thank you so much for shopping here.